I'm Kangan Fauzdar and you're watching Weekly Highlights. Let's get started with the first news. A two-day Punya work for the Ekal Shri Hari Temple Rath Yojana commenced at Renuka Public School, Rudrapur. During the inaugural session, the keynote speaker Shri Deep Kumar explained that the initiative is a unique project of the Ekal Shri Hari Vanvasi Vikas Trust. Under this program, mobile temple raths travel to remote tribal and rural areas, promoting religious, cultural and moral values among local communities. The two-day Punya work held at Renuka Public School, Rudrapur concluded successfully. The closing ceremony was attended by Shri Rajesh Goyal ji, National Campaign in charge of Ekal Abhiyan, Shri Bhagat Singh Koshyari ji, former Chief Minister of Uttarakhand and former Governor of Maharashtra, and Shri Khemanand Sapkota ji, Central Co-Campaign Head. The Arogya Foundation of India, in collaboration with the Ekal Arogya Gram organization, successfully organized a two-day All-India Regional Conference at Maheshwari Bhavan, Ranchi. The conference aimed to develop a strategic roadmap to expand Arogya services to 15,000 villages by 2030 through extensive discussions with regional committees. Around 139 representatives from different states participated. The event was graced by Dr. Ashok Varshney, Central Secretary of Arogya Bharati, Shri Ramesh Maheshwari, National President of Arogya Foundation, and Shri Lallan Sharma, Ekal Abhiyan Chief. A grand welcome and inauguration ceremony of Ekal Shri Hari Mobile Temple Rath 138 was held at Shri Krishna Vrid Ashram, Karnal. The event began with Vedic chanting and traditional prayers, followed by the ceremonial inauguration of the Rath by chief guest. Organizers stated that the Mobile Temple Rath will travel across rural and urban areas to spread the message of Dharma, Sanskar and patriotism. A three-day Punya work organized by the Activity Department of Division 8 commenced at Rokadia Hanuman Temple, Gunsada near Songad. During the inaugural session, Shri Manohar Lalji, Central Co-Campaign Head, emphasized that the purpose of training is not merely to impart knowledge but to translate it into action, ensuring that the organization's activities reach the last person in society. The Division Planning Training and Office Department Workshop of Division 8 were inaugurated at the regional office in Songad, Gujarat. Campaign leaders, office heads and volunteers from Maharashtra and Gujarat participated in the training. The workshop focused on improving the effective functioning of Ekal schools, successful implementation of upcoming initiatives and enhancing organizational efficiency. A two-day Punya work for the Utsav department of the Ekal Shri Hari Temple Rath Yojana commenced at Sanskar Bhavan, Siliguri. The program brought together 43 trainees from the eastern region, Assam, Tripura, West Bengal, Odisha and Nepal. The inaugural session was attended by Shri Bulaki Das Ji Memani, Central Head of the Utsav department, Shri Natpar Bang Ji, Eastern Region in charge, and office bearers from all chapter committees. The training aims to enhance the efficiency of Utsav department volunteers and equip them to better coordinate religious as well as cultural activities across the region. So that was it for this week. For all other information related to Ekal Abhiyan, keep watching Ekal Bharat.